Welcome to AK Law Classes. So today we will learn about the salient features of the Indian Constitution. The salient features or the fundamentals of the Indian Constitution are as follows. A written constitution. It is patent on its face that Indian Constitution is a written constitution. It is the formal source of all constitutional law in the country and is regarded as the supreme or the fundamental law of the land. Being a written document, the Indian Constitution is a controlled constitution. It is a limited government. It provides for a limited government in the sense that the sovereign powers are divided amongst the three organs of government: the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. The powers of each organ are defined by the Constitution, and none can go beyond its own powers or encroach upon those belonging to other organs. The second most important salient feature of in the Indian Constitution is it is the lengthiest, bulkiest, and the most detailed constitution. The Indian Constitution is the lengthiest and the most detailed of all the constitutions in the world. At its commencement, it contained 395 articles divided into 22 parts and 8 schedules. After the passing of the Constitution 94th Amendment Act 2006, the Constitution now consists of 447 articles divided into 24 parts and 12 schedules. The third most important salient feature of the Indian Constitution is it is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. The preamble to the Constitution at the very outset declares India to be a sovereign state. The term sovereign literally means the ultimate superior who recognizes no master. The term socialism is used in democratic as well as socialistic constitutions. It has no definite meaning. In general, however, it means a system under which the means of production and distribution are state-owned. What is meant by the term socialism is a socialistic pattern of the society which only implies equal opportunities to each individual for progress. The term secularism means that the state in India has no religion of its own. It does not mean that the state is an atheist state, but what it means is that in matters of religion, the state is neutral. The state treats all religions equally. The Constitution sets up a democratic government. The term democracy is commonly defined as a government by the people, of the people, and for the people. The term republic in a narrow sense signifies a system under which the head of the state is an elected person. The President of India, who is the executive head of the Union of India, is an elected person who is chosen for a limited period. Number fourth feature is it is a parliamentary form of government. The Indian Constitution establishes a parliamentary form of government both at the center and the state levels. The essential characteristics of a parliamentary form of government are that under such a system, the head of the state is merely a constitutional head, and secondly, the executive vested with real powers is made answerable to the legislature. Number fifth feature is a federation with strong centralizing tendencies. The Indian Constitution sets up a federal system of government with strong centralizing tendencies. The chief characteristics of a federal constitution are it is a written constitution. Number two, the supremacy lies with the constitution. Number three, it provides for division of powers between the central and the regional governments. Number four, it is a rigid constitution. Number five, it provides for an independent judiciary. The sixth most important feature of Indian Constitution is a unique blend of rigidity and flexibility. From the standpoint of amending the Constitution, the Indian Constitution is flexible as well as rigid. Some provisions of the Constitution can be amended by the simple majority procedure as is followed for enacting ordinary laws, while the rest of the Constitution is amended by a special, more difficult and technical procedure which requires special majority in both the houses of the Indian Parliament. Thank you.